Ever since my team began using Trello's views, we've started to see our work in a whole new way. Well, actually, in several different ways. Everything still starts with the board when we're planning projects, and our lists and cards are still flexible enough for any use case. But now we have more ways to visualize our work, not just for my team, from the whole company too. And we are absolutely loving it. When I need to visualize how projects will come together, I use the timeline view to adjust start and due dates, line up the steps of the project, and then see the plan laid out from start to finish. Our projects can have lots of moving parts, but Trello makes it feel easy. Like with my shared calendar view, my whole team gets a complete picture of which projects are due today, tomorrow, next week, and beyond. That way we can all prioritize for what's coming up next. And to make sure everything is running smoothly, I can pull up a dashboard that monitors bottlenecks and helps keep workload management under control. It keeps my team working sustainably, which is kind of a big deal for us. And when we need to give a higher level view, I can share how my work fits into the company's vision. With so many new ways to visualize our projects, Trello has become my team's digital office, where we not only get our work done, but where we celebrate our wins and come together as a team. Now, it's your turn. See your work in a whole new way. Try out the new views in Trello today. Get started with a free trial.